Autodesk Inventor Tolerance Analysis is a CAD-embedded 1D analysis solution which reports the mechanical fit and performance of your design based on dimensional tolerances. It is integrated in Autodesk Inventor and is included with your subscription to Product Design and Manufacturing Collection. It provides an in-canvas workflow using the geometric dimensions and tolerances included on your model. Analyze critical areas of your design to ensure they satisfy your objectives for manufacturing. Inventor Tolerance Analysis captures the necessary parts and mate relationships automatically to close the loop. In the panel, you will find immediate results and percentages for contributing dimensions to the stack-up. Also take advantage of other statistical results for root sum square, CPK, sigma, DPMO, or yield. The tight integration supports bidirectional associativity, which enables you to perform changes to the tolerances in the 3D model or within the tolerance analysis panel. Need to communicate your findings to quality or manufacturing engineers? Quickly create a full report which includes imagery, tolerance objectives and results, a list of contributors and percentages for the stack-up. There may also be times when the model you are analyzing was created in another CAD system. No problem for Inventor Tolerance Analysis. With any CAD technology, the geometry remains in sync with model changes that could potentially impact results. No mates, dimensions, or tolerances? No problem. The workflow will walk you step by step through the process of choosing the appropriate models and faces that contribute to the stack-up. Dimensions and default tolerances will be added as needed to complete the analysis. Autodesk Inventor Tolerance Analysis is an integrated solution that is purpose-built to help your company save on costs with reduced waste and minimize warranty issues. Reduce physical prototypes by identifying problems early during the design process. And finally, get your design to full production faster. Free up more time for innovation to design and make great products.